Welcome to another myCCO tutorial video. On this video, we will be covering all things career fair and company research related. myCCO has some unique features that can catapult you into career success with just a few clicks. myCCO has a complete list of career fairs that are on campus. Start out by opening up your myCCO desktop and find career fairs, info sessions, and workshops located on the left-hand side. A drop-down will appear, then click Career Fairs. What will pop up next is a complete list of career fairs that will be on campus. If you click on one, it will bring you to that individual career fairs page. Make sure to RSVP to attend the career fair. You can do this by simply clicking the RSVP button on the career fairs page. RSVP'ing allows you to automatically share your resume with employers and notifies them that you are coming so that they have the information to reach out to you. On that note, make sure that you've selected your most updated resume. You can do this by clicking through the selections here. If you return to the career fairs page, you will see a graphic that says select your top 10 companies and notify them today. As you can read in the graphic, this action allows you to select 10 companies you are most interested in and inform them that you are coming to the career fair. On this particular page, you can click the See Who's Coming button to view the companies coming and select your top 10. Click that button and it will take you to the employers list. To select a company, locate them on the list and then click Add to My Top 10 at the bottom of the company description. Your top 10 will be listed on the left-hand side. After you select your top 10, you cannot change them, so choose wisely. It does not matter what order you put the 10 companies in. All they will see is that you have listed them. Search positions available at specific career fairs by utilizing the Advanced Career Search option present on each career fair page. You can eliminate some companies from your list based solely off whether or not they are hiring for your major. Through this option, you will be able to search positions based off a list of criteria. Make sure that you select the career fair you want to search through. Company research is crucial when it comes to preparing for a career fair. Having prior knowledge about a company before speaking with the recruiter allows you to have impactful conversations and shows your interest. Helpful things to research include the company's standing in an industry, if they are recently present in the news, and main competitors. You by no means have to be an expert, but having a baseline knowledge definitely helps. The list of companies attending each career fair is listed within the career fair page. If you want more information on an employer, head over to the Employers tab on the left and click All. Here you can search all employers present on myCCO and find out more about them. You're able to search by keyword or company name. Say I was interested in a marketing position. If I type marketing into the keyword box and press search, myCCO will bring up all the companies that have selected marketing as a keyword. When you click on a company, all of their information pulls up. This information includes an overview, company culture, available positions, job leads, career fairs they will be attending, and videos. Something unique about myCCO is that you are provided with a direct contact to the company. That is located here. Want more information on employer research? Visit the Career Research portal on the Student tab of the CCO homepage to view other options for company research and what you should know as a potential candidate. This free Purdue resource allows you to perform more in-depth research on a company using our Purdue employer database descriptions. Be sure to check out the company's social media pages to see how they interact with customers and if they are featured in the news. Links to their different pages can be found on the right side of the screen. Check out the Key Stats section on the right side of the screen to see the expected number of college hires, expected growth rate, and the number of domestic locations. Being able to reference this during interviews will show that you are well informed about the company. That's all on career fairs and company research. Email askcco@purdue.edu for any questions you may have or requests for new videos. Good luck at the upcoming career fairs, Boilermakers, and remember, utilizing myCCO enables you to let your Purdue degree work for you. For now, boiler up and hammer down.